Caricom B25 by Star Bob. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello YouTube, it's me again, Ponggoy!
The following person in this video has been experiencing strange activity at home. From a door opening on its own,
There's nothing on this door.
Kaya hiwaga at karunong ay paliwanag mo.
Hello?
Nautusan
to the sound of someone or something in his basement.
Napakakatakot naman kasi yung
The
bahay.
person recording all these events is sure that there's something in his house. But then one night, he captures this.
What noises? Whoa! 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 Whoa!
May sumilip yata. Nakita ko may sumilip. Bahay mo yan, ba't di ka pa... Pag may sumilip dito, susugurin ko yan. Hindi ko bibidyohan, uupakan ko. Para di na umulit. Dapat sa mga multo ay uupakan. Tapos ang bahay niya ng daming pantaguan. Wala na, nag-flash niya sa Minidoro yun.
If this isn't enough to make someone move out, then I don't know what will.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung sinong estorbo yung multo o yung nagbibideo. Sa tingin nyo?
Two
Shout
friends
out
find
to
an
you.
abandoned building and encounter something really creepy.
Shout out kay Hiwaga at Karunungan. Oh. Aso. Ano ba? Ang layo naman pero parang may gumagalaw. Ayan, may tao nga. Nakaitim. Parang invisible. Anino? Alam mo, minsan tinatakot mo nga yung sarili mo, di ba? Kaya ka Nakakatakot siya pero piling ko tali. Pag yung hinila dumikit sa pader, piling ko lang naman. Oh. Oh. The remote pala, sorry. Tapos pag gano'n ng pako. Bad ka, ba't mo binato? May naapakan ko dito. Figure is gone. Lagi namang ganun. Pag lumipat ang camera, nawawala. Gagawin ko din yan. Lahat, pag-aaralan ko to, gagawin ko to.
DJ Kuna is working on a house that might be haunted. DJ Kuna thinks this, as there have been strange things that have happened while working alone. Luckily, he was able to capture one of these strange occurrences on camera.
Pues siempre pasa cuando estoy aquí solo, estoy solo en esta casa. Completamente solo. Siempre que estoy solo, hay algo raro en este pasillo. Yo no lo entiendo, se lo he dicho a muchas personas y no lo entiendo. Cuando yo trabajo en esta área de acá, siempre que trabajo se escuchan pasos. Entonces, cuando me meto acá...
Oh, ayun, may tumatakbo.
Se escucha que alguien camina arriba. Y está pasando aquí arribita. Está pasando arribita.
Alam mo, totoo yan. Naka-experience na ako dyan. Although, pag video, madali nga namang i-duplicate o copyan or in-akin to ano man. Pero sa totoo, nakaranas ako ng ganyan.
Y no hay nada.
Sino yan? Marlin Vlog? Hi, Kalbo. Hi, long hair.
Uy, qué pedo, güey.
The sound of footsteps can be heard running back and forth. Even beyond the grave, leg day is never missed. Now that's dedication.
Kayo, mag-resign na kayo kapag gano'n. No choice ka eh, no? Yun ang trabaho mo eh. Hindi ka naman siguro inaano. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
An urban explorer finds an old schoolhouse filled with toys. But toys aren't the only thing present here. While checking out one of the rooms, this happens.
May bata. Ano ba? Oh. Takot. Meron.
But the scariest encounter has to be this.
Gagalaw. Ikaw naman gumalaw lang ng konti eh. Oh. Oh, ayan. Seryoso. Takbo na. Hindi na konti yan. Ayan, jumug-jug-jug ng ganun yung kabayo. Tinatawag mo eh. Ayan, dahan-dahan pa umiindayog.
Later on, a camera is left behind as he explores the rest of the place. This is what he captured.
Oh, di ba? Oh. Lalaki yung kabayong. Yung multong yan, ano? Lalaking kabayan sumapi dun sa kabayong laruan.
Now that's creepy. It's late at night, and the person recording is really scared. There's something in his house, and it's watching him. This is what he caught on camera.
Ano may sumilip? Ayun oh.
A group of paranormal investigators were running a live stream at an abandoned house that is believed to be haunted. During the investigation, a camera is left inside a closet and captures this.
Gago. Ah. Ano sinabi ko?
Tira el celular. Hoy entramos a entrar. Vamos a entrar. Estoy tratando de acomodar esto. Es que está todo madreado, todo.
Malakas ba yung pagkakahampas? Parang di naman.
Here's footage of someone who encountered something really terrifying.
Estoy recargada hasta las patas, encima estoy sola. Estoy recargada hasta las patas mal. Ay, la concha de...
Pag may kasama ka, nakakatawa. Tsaka kung bahay mo naman. Pero kung ibang
Estoy
bahay,
cansada, ya les juro, chicas.
baka magnanakaw na
¿Quién
yan.
sos? Ay, a la concha de la lora. No me dejan en paz. Ay, no.
Matay ang ilaw, my
I
God!
can't think of a better reason to get out than the lights turning off. If the lights go, so do I.
Oo, kahit ako. Baka di na ako bumalik.
A paranormal investigator and a medium visit a place in Mexico known as El Romoral, where a tall dark figure is said to appear at night. Those who've seen this figure report feeling uneasy and entering into a state of panic. Right before entering the site, the medium sensed that something was following them. From there on, things got strange.
Hay alguien en el árbol. Hay alguien en el árbol. ¡Oh, hijo de su madre!
Saan? Ayun, nakaitim. May maligno.
Hay alguien en el árbol. Hay alguien en el árbol. ¡Oh, hijo de su madre! Uy, uy, uy. Uf.
When it comes to the paranormal, it's probably best to let the experts handle the unknown, especially malicious entities. Thanks for watching, and
Thanks for watching Joanne Bustillos at Rixie Joanna. And then don't forget to subscribe.